Let's use a graphing utility to graph the function on the given interval and approximate any local maxes and mins. So ny equals, we will plug in negative 0.3 x cubed minus 0.6 x squared plus 4x minus 4. Anytime you enter something into y equals, always take a second to make sure we don't have a typo. Looks good. And we can hit the graph, but they actually gave us an interval from -6 to 4, so we can zoom into that window from -6 to 4. So in the window, let's make the x min -6 and the x max 4. And go back to the graph. And it looks like I can see the local max, but I can't see the local min, so I need to play with my window a little bit. I'm going to go to window and make that y min a little bit smaller. So let's make the y min say -20. Make sure we capture that min in the window. Now we can find the local max and min. Up first, let's find the local max. Up first, let's find the local min. Second, trace will take us to the calculate option, and we want number 3, the min. It's asking for a left bound, so we will scroll over and get somewhere on the left side of that minimum. Hit enter. It's now asking for a right bound, so we'll scroll to the right just a little bit, get on the right side of that min, then hit enter and enter one more time, and it looks like we have a min of roughly -13.3. And that minimum occurs when x is roughly -2.9. To find the max, again, we'll hit second, trace to get to the calculate option, and then we're looking for number 4. We'll scroll and get on the left side of that max, enter, scroll until we get to the right side of the max, enter, enter, and we get the max. The max is roughly -0.4 if we're rounding. And then that max occurs when x is roughly 1.5. But remember, the max and min are the y values.